So in this video, I am going to show you how to apply Superscript in Microsoft Word. Typing Superscript in Microsoft Word is a simple process that significantly enhances the clarity of documents, especially in academic, scientific, and mathematical contexts. To type Superscript in Word, you can utilize the ribbon or the keyboard shortcuts. Using the ribbon, first highlight the text you want to format as Superscript. Then navigate to the Home tab and click on the Superscript button, which is represented by an icon showing an X with a smaller raised 2 beside it. This will instantly convert your highlighted text into Superscript format. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut to apply Superscript formatting. Highlight the desired text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus sign. This shortcut toggles the superscript formatting on and off, making it easy to apply or remove as needed. So that's how you can type superscript in Microsoft Word.